pipe production line consists of a main engine, a vacuum setting water tank, a crawler tractor, a cutting saw, a winder, etc. The multi-track tractor is adopted and the traction force is uniform and stable. Each track is driven by an independent AC variable frequency motor, and the driving technology controlled by the digital controller realizes accurate speed adjustment to achieve a high degree of synchronization. Process of its production line is raw material plus color master batch, mixing, vacuum feeding, raw material drying, single screw extruder, 4-color line extruder, basket of screw mold, sizing sleeve, first spray vacuum setting box and second spraying vacuum setting box, first spraying cooling water tank and second spraying cooling water tank, next ribbon printing machine, crawler tractor, planetary cutting machine, pipe stacking rack, and finished product inspection and packaging. The production line adopts the sizing and cooling system of proprietary technology, adopts water film lubrication and water ring cooling to meet the requirements of HDPE and PP materials, and to ensure the stability of diameter and roundness of high-speed production of thick wall pipes. Start the feeder, observe whether the wall thickness of the pipe is uniform, and adjust the mold. The pipe enters the cooling water tank and exits the water tank after soaking and cooling. When the pipe is in the position of the cutting machine, it will automatically cut. Small diameter use plastic profile saw blade cutting machine. Large diameter use star cutting machine. The pipe products are automatically placed after cutting, waiting for inspection and packaging after the quality is qualified. The PE corrugated pipe is formed at one time, and the prepared raw materials are sent into the machine to be fully stirred and mixed. The agitated raw material is sent to the extruder and heated to 230 degrees Celsius to melt the plastic pellets. The extruder injects molten polyethylene plastic into the mold, and solution fills quickly. And as the mold moves forward, the cooling system hardens the bellows into shape. The mold of the bellows is composed of hundreds of pairs of left and right separate models, and the bellows can be continuously produced by the cycle of closing and opening of each pair of models. The corrugated pipe after demolding is formed, and the plastic is completely hardened by water cooling.